In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a photo on your iPhone. So if you want to blur a particular part of an image, say you want to blur out a number plate or a sensitive piece of information, then there's a quick and easy way we can do this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head over to the App Store on your phone, click on the search box in the bottom right hand side, and then just go ahead and search for Blur. Now the app you need to install is this top one here. It's completely free to use at the time of recording this video. So just go ahead and press the Get button and give that a couple of seconds to install to your device. Once it's finished installing, simply open up the application, click on Continue, and then you can just close out of this premium window here. So once you're inside the app, just click on Blur in the bottom left-hand side. Then what you'll need to do is upload the photo that you want to blur. So I'm going to upload this picture of this dog, and you can also crop this as well before uploading it. Once you're happy with the photo, click on Done, and then using your finger, we can brush the part of the image that we want to blur out. Now, if you click on Brush in the bottom right-hand side, you can adjust the size and also the distance of this brush. Click on the Effect tab to change the brightness and the strength of the blur. And if you want to undo any changes, just click on the Undo button right at the top here. So once you're happy with your finished video, just go ahead and press Next in the top right hand side. Click on the Share button again in the top right hand side and allow this to access your photos. And that's it guys, that's now saved to our camera roll. So if I head over to my Photos application, you can see here's our blurred out image. So that's it guys, if you did find this video helpful, then please drop a comment below.